So you're tired of waiting 2 weeks to 2 months for your product? So if you're enjoying the content, be sure to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, let's hop onto the computer. Alright guys, so we're back on the computer. And there's a huge problem that people have with AliExpress, and it's that it takes way too long. I'm talking about 2 weeks if you get e-packet, and if you don't, if you get the free shipping that AliExpress offers, it will be like 2 months. Like, it's annoying, and you get lots of complaints from customers and stuff like that. So, and I'm gonna show you the quick hack right now. The only con to it, because with every like amazing thing, there's some negatives, and the negative is that they'll cut your profit margin from like $2 to $5. It all depends on the product, like how big it is, right? So let's go find a product right now, and we'll see what we do. Oh, and about yesterday's video, I did women's swimsuit because it's coming, like summer's right around the corner, and women are often, I know jewelry's a big thing. So women are more likely to buy, or women buy more clothing online compared to men, and that's statistics I got it from Facebook Audience Insights. So the hack, it's right here, ships from. If it's shipping from China to the US, it's going overseas. If it's shipping to the from the US to a state in the US, it's already in the US, you know? So we'll click United States right here, right? And these actually look pretty nice. I kind of like the packaging on it. Some of these are crazy. Alright, so let's not go to necklace. Did I click a necklace type? Okay, we're gonna find a different product. Oh, look at this one. Okay, so we'll see if this one ships. Okay, here we go. Perfect example. My nose is itchy. Okay, so if it ships from China to the US, free shipping, 19 days to 39 days, and it's usually right around this area. They do this, the 19 days, to make you want to buy it, because it's like, oh, we could get it in 19 days, but it's not like that. It's actually like, it's right around the 39 days. And you can get e-packet for an extra $166. So what is that? That's $5 and some change, right? But if we do United States, it's $6 and 84 cents. $6.84. So it's like $1 extra, right? Compared to e-packet, which people are usually doing, right? Since it's faster and you deal with less complaints. But this is 4 to 13 days, dude. From 2 months to 1 week. Like, how amazing is that?
Wow.
And that's basically it. It's that simple. It was an extra $1, but you deal with less complaints. You get more loyal customers, so which means you could retarget them later on and make more money off of them. So it's really good to ship from the US. It's worth it to pay that extra buck to get a loyal customer for the odds of them returning again. And like purchasing like 2 or 3 products this time instead of just one, you know, when you targeted them one time. So it's definitely a great hack. Even for personal use, if you want to get something, pay that extra buck to get it faster and take pictures of the product or something like that, right? Or for your own enjoyment, you know, whatever floats your boat. But alright guys, that really covers today. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be a wild card. Who knows what the video is gonna be about? Because I have no clue. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, I am out.